Campground bathrooms. You gotta love them and you gotta hate them. I can think of nothing that's more variable in an unpleasant way than campground showers. I mean, behind this door could be something acceptable. At best it's acceptable, and at worst it's completely disgusting. So I'm here to help with that. Yeah, you come in here, well, it looks like some, you know, shower, not horrific. Hooks in a campground shower, and you can't hang your stuff. Now this one has bomb-proof hooks, but many showers, it appears that like some kind of, you know, savages were in there, ripped the hooks off the wall, or the hooks were non-existent. And there you are, you've got your last pair of clean undies hanging on the shower door, and they fall into the primordial stew that's on the floor, and often it's quite disgusting, and you know, all kinds of creatures living in there, who knows what. You know, do you put on your old filthy undies after you clean up, or do you put on those ones that have been on the floor? So the way to prevent that are shower hooks. They're really easy to use. You buy these on Amazon, 3.5-inch hooks. You can hang them on almost anything, right? Now these are hanging, working great here. Look at that. So you get these hooks, you hang your stuff on them, you hang your towel on it, you hang your towel, you hang your clothing, you bring as many of these hooks as you need, and no longer are you subject to dropping your clothing on the floor. So they'll change your life. These, I think, are 3-inch hooks. You find them on Amazon. They have a little bit of a blunt nose, blunt end, in action. And you can just hang up what you want. So here's the hooks in action. Towel, microfiber towel, a bag that collapses to carry all my stuff, clothing, all hung up. Nope. Here's the silicone sponge stuck to the wall. Use it and just stick it back. I've been able to solve most of the bathroom problems, but I need help with one. You know, the electric toothbrush runs on AA, rechargeables, no problem. Floss, no problem. The silicone scrubber is working out really great. Collapsible cup is great for travel. Toothpaste, you can always refill the tube. The little ones are too small. I found a just right one. You just press another toothpaste tube up against this and squirt it in. You can refill the tube if that's necessary. The thing that's been vexing is the soap dish. It's either too small, too large, or too flimsy. This one's pretty good, but it's way too big. I use an ivory soap bath bar, which is, you know, shrinking every time I buy it. But look how much extra room there is in there. It works okay, I can drain it. I put the soap in here, seems to be fairly watertight. I close it, but it does leak a little bit like all the other soap tubs I've had. And so I put that in a plastic bag and carry it around that way. But this is pretty high. That's a lot of space. I'd rather have something that just fit the bar of soap. I've tried the square ones. I've tried the slide together clamshells. I've tried a baggie, which makes a big mush bar. I'm curious if you have an idea on soap boxes that you like. Leave me a comment and maybe leave me a link to what your favorites are and little comments about what you know what makes them outstanding. It's a vexing problem.